Hey guys, now I'm holding this little popsicle. It is called 钟楼小奶糕. You may not know that 钟楼小奶糕 is one of our favorite childish cuisine, and it has kind of disappeared in modern times. But today, I discovered it here, so I feel really surprised. So now let's check out if the flavor is still there. You can see this modern polished 钟楼 logo marked on the package of the popsicle, which is very fashionable. Let's try it. So cold. Actually, the one I tasted here is in yogurt flavor, but when I was a child, we only have this one flavor, the original flavor, which is made from the pure milk. The yogurt one is better, I think.